Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you try to log into your Instagram account and encounter an error like unable to log in or unexpected error, please try logging in again. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this Instagram error. So, friends, watch the video till the end. Let's get started. Before we start, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. To fix this error in Instagram, first, go back and press on Instagram like this, demonstration. Then, go to the Play Store and search for Instagram. Update your Instagram app from the Play Store. If the update option is visible, update it. I've already updated it on my phone. After updating, open the Instagram app. Enter your account details to log in. I'll now enter my account details. After entering your username and password, press the login button. Your Instagram account should now log in successfully. Friends, you won't see this error in your account anymore. To fix this problem, just clear the Instagram app's data and update it from the Play Store. Thanks for watching.